Ka Rotary Club Jowai kala Pynkup burom ya ka kong Simi Khongtiang halor usinyang bakala no siya ka imlang salang lingba ka jing shna plim. Ya ka jingalang Pynkup burom ka batip kum ka Vocational Exelence Award kam felicitation ceremony lapulong ha hall ka Infinity Restaurant Muralong Jowai ha ka janmit ka nriutrik jemang. Nalor ka kong Simi ka Rotary Club Jowai kala Pynkup burom ru ya kin riungot ki dekhot jongka haka jingdan lang ukong San Rajesh Batra Assistant Governor Zone 9 nalor kiwei dekhot ka Rotary Club Jowai. Ya ka jingalang Pynkup burom la penya da Rotarian mewat higat po Sergeant at Arms balayo ya ka jingkran pediang na Rotarian Rudolph Ostis lalu PHF President. Kakong Simi Khongtiang haka jingkran kalapan pau ka jingsngongo ya ka Rotary Club Jowai bat klayat hu ru ya ka jingai lenti haka kam shnaplim menta lakat nyo snam kenti. Ngangait habangi jiet ya ka kam kabangi sngotanat bat IT ala di haka ikalalong kikenrat om kimraw la ong kakong Simi bat benrap baka jingkala kalawan haka jing im jongka de haus nam arjar katlai haba kala yo ya ka kusnam kum ka nong thok script bat tibet tam haka jela nakabenta ka plim dat helun. Ukong San Rajesh Batra haka jingkran ulaong ka Rotary Club kayeng haka nongrim man syakri nakabenta ka baha kamet jong ka imlang salang bat ka penyajan ru bat ki beriu ki banai ki wei kiri jong ka perthei. Ya ka jingalang lapen wai de kintien kublei na Rotarian Empasa MPHF.
It was a proud moment for me and my family to be part of the Rotarian family at this moment. My dream is to share my narrative with the world through filmmaking. Although I am a self-taught filmmaker without formal training, I have navigated this challenging journey for 17 years. I believe that when we choose our passion and dedicate ourselves to it, we become masters, not slaves. As a mother of 3 young children, when I began filmmaking, balancing motherhood and work was tough. However, I decided not to give up on my dreams. The turning point of my life came in 2013 when I was awarded Best Scriptwriter in the state for my film The Look by the first Passive Film Award. This recognition boosts my confidence to share my stories with a wider audience. The award 2024 was also showcased at a prestigious film festival across the country. This achievement has reinforced my belief that hard work and determination can take you anywhere, regardless of gender. Through storytelling, we can share unique experiences, traditions, and perspective of the community. Storytelling is also a powerful tool to address social issues, highlighting challenges and struggles faced by the community. Through filmmaking, we can not only share our opinions, but also preserve our heritage and build the bridges between communities. This brings satisfaction and gives us the potential to change life, passing down this valuable lesson to the future generation. As a filmmaker, I am proud to have created employment opportunities for young talents in our state.
Rotary is connecting people like anything. I will not say much on the other aspect of the Rotary. I'll just share a few good things about Rotary and see if we can, like Rotary and Latu has also called Rotarians to come and join Rotary Club. So what is the call, what is the attraction which we Rotary have? We are doing service, we are doing philanthropy, we are doing service at any stage. And back at home, you are also doing something good. But why Rotary? Why the platform Rotary? Rotary connects you to the world.